I originally got into welding in college. I really wasn't sure what I was going to do. So I figured I'd take a break and decided to take a welding class. And I loved every second of it, and I never left. Essentially, welding is taking two pieces of metal and melting them together to make one piece. There are many different processes when it comes to welding, but typically in the aerospace industry, we're looking for gas tungsten arc welding, electrobeam welding, or even robotic welding. One way to learn about welding is to take a technical class or to go to a trade school and see if you like it. In order to become certified in those processes, you can become certified through a technical school or trade school, or you can be certified through the company you work for. If you're the creative type that likes building and have good eye-hand coordination and good attention to detail, you will be a good welder. My favorite part about welding is when you got two perfect parts and you lay down a beautiful bead and it passes through all of its testing, right? And you get to see it ship out the door and finally get assembled on a rocket. And the minute that that thing launches, you know that you had your hand in making that a reality. And it is the ultimate feeling. Welding is super cool, but welding in aerospace is even better. These are the Artemis engines that will help further space exploration. Come help us start that journey by sending the next generation of astronauts back to the moon.